Hi, I'm Matthew Frangos, and this is a 555 light detector circuit. This LDR, once light hits it, will open up a pathway for electricity to run through the circuit, through the 555 timer, and to the speaker, which will emit a pulsating tone once the 555 turns on and off. Now for a more detailed description of how the 555 circuit works. The 9-volt battery, which has been disconnected for safety purposes, will power the positive bus, which has several connections to the 555 timer. Here, this yellow wire connects to two resistors, which cause different values for the threshold and trigger of the IC chip. Once this capacitor has been filled up with enough electricity, or when it is empty, when the charge and discharge cycle is over, the 555 cycle will either output a voltage or nothing. On the right side of the circuit, the LDR is connected in series with a potentiometer, which when turned to different resistance settings can generate sensitivities for the speaker to run. For example, if there is a high resistance here, the LDR needs to be hit by a lot of light for the electricity to pass into the 555 circuit. Whereas if it's low resistance, the LDR doesn't need that much light to allow electricity to pass through. Sadly enough, this circuit does not work. After many hours of troubleshooting, I tested each individual part and found that they were all functioning as they needed to be. And in fact, the 555 timer was outputting the correct on and off cycle. So what I found then was that the issue is with the speaker. Because I didn't have enough time to realize that the speaker was the one component that was actually messed up, I don't have access to a second speaker, so I can't get the circuit to run.